बच्चों, let's see the question. The question says, which one of the following sets of monosaccharide forms sucrose? So, हमें sucrose के components को identify करना है. So, the key concept in this question is to understand the structure of sucrose. So, first of all, sucrose is a disaccharide, which means that it is composed of two monosaccharides joined together by a glycosidic bond. Now, the two monosaccharides present in sucrose are glucose and fructose. So, a glycosidic bond between glucose and fructose will result in the formation of a sucrose molecule. Now, if we get into a little bit more detail, then the structure of sucrose is as follows. So, firstly, it is having an alpha D glucose. So, the structure of alpha D glucose looks like this. Now, it is alpha D glucose because in the first carbon atom, the hydroxyl group is present below. So, this is the structure of alpha D glucose. Now, it forms a glycosidic bond with the fructose molecule, which is present in the beta D configuration. It is a beta D configuration because in the second carbon atom of the fructose molecule, the OH group is present above. Now, the other OH groups attached to fructose are as follows. So, this is the structure of beta D fructose. Now, since a glycosidic bond is formed between the first carbon atom of glucose and second carbon atom of fructose, therefore, the structure or the formula for sucrose will be alpha D glucose 1,2-beta D fructose. Now, when a monosaccharide takes a cyclic structure, then it can be present in two types of ring forms. The first one is a pyranose, which is a 6-carbon ring structure, and the second one is furanose, which is a 5-carbon ring structure. Now, since we can see that the glucose in the sucrose molecule is in the 6-ring structural form, therefore, the glucose in sucrose is actually alpha D-Glucopyranose because the glucose is a 6-carbon ring structure and the fructose is in the 5-carbon ring structure. Therefore, the fructose will be beta D-fructofuranose. So, therefore, sucrose is composed of alpha D-glucopyranose and beta D-fructofuranose. So, if we see our options, then we can see that option 1 is saying beta D-glucopyranose and alpha D-fructofuranose. So, it is not the correct option because it is not beta D-glucopyranose, but it is alpha D-glucopyranose, and it is not alpha D-fructofuranose, it is beta D-fructofuranose. So, option 1 is not our answer. Then the second option is saying alpha D-glucopyranose and beta D-fructopyranose. So again, this is not the right answer because it is not beta D-fructopyranose, but it is beta D-fructofuranose. Then option 3 is also not correct because it is not alpha D-Galactopyranose because galactopyranose is absent in sucrose. It is composed of glucose and fructose. So again, option 3 is not the right answer. Now the final option says that the components of sucrose are alpha D-Glucopyranose and beta D-fructofuranose. So this is the option that matches with our discussion. Therefore, our final answer is option 4. That is alpha D-Glucopyranose and beta D-fructofuranose are the components of sucrose. So this is our final answer. I hope you understood it. Best of luck.